guys, Jeff from Phandom Brothers here. Today's a little bit of a weird video. I came in contact with somebody who tested positive for COVID-19. It was somebody I work with, so obviously now they are isolating for 14 days. I got tested yesterday. Today is the 29th, that was yesterday, so that was the 28th, and I should be getting my results back pretty soon. So if the tests come back negative, obviously Phandom Brothers will pick up where we left off, and we got reviews, planned in the background, and we got install videos planned too for you guys. So that's what will happen if it's negative. Phandom Brothers will just basically carry on like we've been doing. And if somehow I'm tested positive, which I'm pretty sure I'm not, I haven't had any symptoms or anything like that, which doesn't necessarily mean I'm not positive, but I feel good, I feel healthy, I wasn't, in this guy's face or anything. We just so happen to work in the same area and kind of do the same job, so I'm not too worried. So I think the odds are in my favor. But if somehow I'm positive, me and Danny will probably end up doing solo videos. We got content in the background, we have that extra stuff laying around, so we'll do solo videos. I'm not sure if the schedule will change or anything like that, but that's what will happen if I test positive, which I'm pretty sure I'm negative. So that's what will happen there. I'm not sure if we'll upload one time a week or 2 times a week or what. I'm not 100% sure at this moment, but the one thing I know for sure is Phandom Brothers will carry on. And obviously, guys, I'm isolating right now until I get my results back, just to kind of, keep everybody safe, keep Danny safe and everybody that's involved in making the videos and stuff like that. And I kind of want to go over what the COVID test was like. So it was a weird sensation. I got the nose one. They put a Q-tip up your nose and they hold it in there for about 4 seconds, which was very uncomfortable. It was kind of like a burning sensation. Obviously it wasn't burning, but it feels like that. It goes all the way up your nose, so it's a little bit weird, but it's not too bad. A lot of people are making it out to be like this painful thing, but it's it's not too bad. You got to do it at the end of the day. So yeah, and I think at the end of the day, nobody really wants to be wearing a mask all the time. But if we want to flatten this curve and get back to somewhat of a regular life, we got to do what we got to do. You got to be safe. Whenever you come into contact with somebody, you should always wash your hands or hand sanitize, which is what you got to do at the end of the day if we want to go back to a regular life and see our friends and our family again, and have these cool events like car meets and stuff more frequently. That's what we got to do. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's not going to stop Phandom Brothers. The videos will continue to come out every week, whether the schedule changes or not. We will be still producing content for you guys, automotive related, of course. We got content sitting in the background ready to be uploaded and stuff like that, so no worries there. And me and Danny have been putting in a lot of work in the background. We've been coming up with a new logo, a more compressed logo for Phandom to complement the big logo, kind of like how Facebook has their, little F, or Instagram has their little camera. So we have been coming up with a few new designs, some new merch for you guys. Hopefully long sleeve t-shirts, some new hoodie designs, some new colorways, stuff like that. Once we have some, a final product, obviously we'll release it to you guys. There's a lot of work that goes into it, with, coming up with the design, making sure it's perfect, whether we want prototypes of it or not, stuff like that. And on a brighter note, you know, we got some cool cars about to be featured on the channel. Don't want to drop any, you know, names of these vehicles, but they are pretty cool vehicles, you know, vehicles you don't see very often, very high performance. More installs are coming as well, just need to order them. I have a pretty idea how I want to like kind of build the Civic. And my other car that you guys don't know about yet, and if you do, you know, you're probably close to me, but I have some plans for that car as well, which the parts on that one, it's gonna be like a pretty simple build, more like a, not so much like a high performance build, but just more like a cruiser. Just, I really want to order a body kit, you know, get some lowering springs or coilovers, and yeah, stuff like that. Maybe a racing seat or steering wheel, stuff like that. Just make it a nice cruiser, something clean, something, you know, I could hop in and, you know, be reliable and drive it all summer round. So that's pretty much it, guys. Kind of like an update video. You know, this video will go up Sunday, so I'll either get my results back tonight, tomorrow, or Monday. Not too sure how it works, so we will be getting those results back pretty soon. You know, hopefully things pick up where they left off, and hopefully the results are good. So remember to tandem with the Phandom brothers. Remember to smash that subscribe button. You know, we got lots of content. If you guys, you know, have some time, check out some of those videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Phandom brothers signing out.